Hey guys, good morning. Today is what, December the 5th? I think it is December 5th. So thank you all for tuning in today for another video, and welcome back to the video. Well, welcome back to another video. But anyway, thank you all for your kind comments, love, support here on this channel. Thank you to all my new subscribers. We appreciate you here. Yeah, so today's video is probably going to be a little bit different than yesterday. I'm glad you all enjoyed yesterday's video. I'm glad I was able to give you some good ideas. I got another box for y'all today too. So I'm going to get ready to put my smoothie together here this morning, and then we will come back for more. But this is outfit of the day, guys. I am actually trying to run out to Lowe's today to look for 2 Sansevieras. I need to get some paint, and I need to see if they got some Gorilla Glue, and I think a few other things. I'm not sure, but that's what I'm trying to do today early. So this is outfit of the day, guys. Really easy breezy, y'all. I ordered these from Pottery Barn. They are like a slate gray. They're really cute. They're really comfortable. If you can see like the fur on them, I absolutely love them. So you can treat yourself to some good things from time to time. So that's what I did. But let's go ahead and get ready to make our smoothie. Welcome back to another video. Y'all, this smoothie is so good. Just what you need for a pick-me-up. So, I want to show you guys. So, do you guys remember this Method Laundry Booster Sleep Sommeil? It's made with plant-based stain lifting power. I'm finally done with this, so this is going to get trashed today, but I just wanted to let you guys know, if you like Method laundry stuff, this is really good. And this lasted us for, it's been months. Y'all remember when I hauled this for like $1 or whatever, but it's been a long time. So this is going to get tossed out. And I did try to work on my baby here. I turned her upside down and she is sticking. I used this Fabri-Tac, and I used some actual real super glue. If you guys can see that, the original super glue, I used that. So she's she looks to be okay. So I'm still gonna get some Gorilla Glue to go on her. Yeah, I'm gonna get some Gorilla Glue to go on her. So hopefully, you know, I just wanted to look better because you can still see a crease here. So I did it on the back side. So I'm gonna flip it on this side today and add the Gorilla Glue. And then, guys, like, I am super excited about this. You guys know I have been looking for, let me see, y'all not up enough. I have been looking for cutting boards, if you did not know. But I'm going to show you, look, let me just show y'all. I found this cutting board yesterday for $202. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the distressed wood on it. $202. It does have like a, you can tell it's like real wood. I did sand these down with this sand board. I sanded these down, and I washed them with vinegar and water, and I used bleach. So my idea for this, when I go to Lowe's, I'm going to look for some white spray paint for wood. I think it's Kroller that has it for wood. I'm going to spray paint one of these. This one is going to be white on one side. I'm going to leave this here. And then this is the one I absolutely love. It has a magnet on it, if you can see. And this one is by Sheffield Home. If you can see the little carving right here, Sheffield Home. So I love the fact that it has this too. This one was $303. But on this side, I'm going to do halfway. It's going to be black. So when I lay them, one is going to be the white side, and then one will be the black side, and I'll be able to put it on the thing. And the part that I really loved was this. So I do have the part with this deep pockets, so when you do cut your vegetables and stuff, you can not, it won't be dripping over like my other cutting board. My daughter wants my other cutting board. So guys, this is my project today. Like I said, this one along this side here will be white, and then the other one will be black. It might be like a light gray. I might do this one light gray, and then this one black. So, and then I'll do them, you know, I'll do them like this or whatnot. So, yeah, so $303 for this. It's like a Saver store. It's called Value World, but it's like a Saver store. And this one was $202. And I'll show you the one that my daughter wants. So, yeah, I told her, and you guys probably remember this. I got this. It's really big. I got this maybe some months ago. And my daughter is a real cook, y'all. She's a real, like, chef, her own business. So she needs this. So I'm going to give her this. And I'll show you guys, too, now, today, what do I have so far for my new home decor love boxes, okay? I was supposed to turn my coffee on, and I forgot, y'all. Oh, and I wanted to show y'all something else, too. I didn't show y'all when I was, let me show y'all right quick while my coffee's going. So right here, every time I go into Goodwill, guys, I told you I'm looking for the matching. This came with 3, and I love it. It's actually Nicole Miller, if you guys can see. Y'all see that. It's upside down, but this whole thing was 99 cents, y'all. And this is just the plastic. This is not the actual ceramic thing. This is just the plastic to keep them from, you know, touching at the bottom and stuff like that. But I'm actually looking for another coffee cup because I'm currently, this is the other one. It came with 3, and it was 99 because it was missing one. So that was the reason that I gave away the 2 other ones, because I have a set of 4 that looks really nice on my counter right there. And yeah, so let me show y'all really quick what I have so far for Love Box. So y'all, I got something else going for this because this was on my dresser with the perfumes. I got a surprise for y'all to show y'all. They still in there on something, but had to move it. But this is gonna go in there, and y'all remember this is from Sonoma Home, and it's actually brand new. And then I'm getting rid of this one. So these 2 pieces, y'all, I absolutely love this. It actually was a cheese board, remember? But I switched the legs on it, and it's from Threshold. So yeah, those so far is for the box, and then let me show y'all really, really quick. In here, I removed this tray. It's somewhere else in here. I'm not going to tell you guys right now, but you probably can let me know in the comments where you think it's at. So here I just have this. I love the fact that I like to see my decor. See my table? I absolutely love my decor. The decor of the actual stand of the base of my dining room table. I absolutely love that. So it's kind of hard to, like, every time I try to put something on there, it doesn't work because I absolutely like that decor by itself, the stand of it. But I got this like that, and I like it. So I'm going to try to come back and bring you guys along. I'm going to see if Lowe's has any Sansevieria plants for me, and I'll check in with you guys later, okay? All right, y'all, I'm here. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to get 2 plants, but I might get this one here if y'all can see it. It's really big, and it don't have a pot to go in it, so the guy said they might give it to me for $10. And then I have a list with my stuff that I need, which is what is it, 2 snake plants, black spray paint, small thing of paint, paper towels, and small clear Gorilla Glue. So we're gonna grab that stuff, and then we're gonna head out. All right. Let me finish my paint from my this is the color gray that I needed, y'all. It's like it's a light gray. This is a matte glacier gray, and for the black I got this one. Focus camera. Well, you guys get it. Yeah, the middle one, Mindful Gray. So, and I'm getting my paint done now. So I'll see you guys later. right, guys, I'm back. I've been back, but had company. Let me turn this TV down a little bit. I'm watching Leia Farmer. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna show y'all really quick. So before I had left, I did section off the tape off the things for the cutting boards. So those are gonna get sprayed. And I did get the Mindful Gray. This is the Bare color sample. It's $3.98. So I got this to do the bathroom, that part I was showing y'all when we removed those things. And then also, what else was it? Oh, where I took the shelves down. So that's what this is for. And then these are the two colors that I got for the I got this color too because I love this slated gray color, because if I find me another nice box, I can spray paint this color. I love this color. So I got these colors for the cutting board. And then I only got 1 Sansevieria, y'all. This is really big. You guys can see. It's really, really big. And actually it was missing a pot. It was actually missing, it was sitting inside, I guess, a ceramic pot that was broke or whatever. So they did give me a good deal on the plant. So guys, that's gonna end it for me today. Hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of Lowe's house decor, because I didn't even realize that they sold house decor, but I couldn't really talk. I just tried to show y'all some stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.